If you're facing pending transfers on your Wells Fargo account, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you understand how to check and manage your pending transactions effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo account. Access your Wells Fargo online banking by visiting the website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to account activity. Once logged in, go to the accounts section and select the account with the pending transfer. Look for the account activity or transactions tab to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Identify pending transfers. In the account activity section, locate any transactions marked as pending. These will typically be highlighted or noted as pending, indicating they have not yet cleared. Step 4. Review transaction details. Click on the pending transfer to see more details. Check the date, amount, and recipient information to ensure everything is correct. If you notice any discrepancies, take note of them. Step 5. Contact customer service if necessary. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and resolve any pending transfers on your Wells Fargo account. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for more help.